Welcome to 10x Earn, your shortcut to success with YouTube Shorts. Have you noticed those quick, addictive videos on YouTube that everyone's watching? That's YouTube Shorts, videos under 60 seconds that are blowing up creators overnight. And guess what? You can be next. YouTube Shorts are vertical, mobile-friendly videos under 60 seconds. They're designed for fast scrolling, instant entertainment, and massive reach. Whether you're a dancer, gamer, teacher, or entertainer, Shorts are the fastest way to grow your audience on YouTube today. YouTube is pushing Shorts hard in 2025. Shorts appear on the homepage, the Shorts feed, and search results, giving new creators a chance to go viral without any subscribers. And the best part? You only need your smartphone, no fancy gear, no editing skills, just hit record and post. If you don't have a channel yet, create one today. Just sign into YouTube with your Google account, click Create Channel, and you're set. Add a good profile photo, a catchy name like 10x Earn, and a banner. This is your brand now. Make it look sharp. Open the YouTube app, hit the plus icon, and tap Create a Short. Record a video or upload one you already made. Just keep it under 60 seconds. Add trending music, text overlays, effects, and make the first 3 seconds count. Title it well, use relevant hashtags, and publish. Boom, your first short is live. Here's how to get seen. Use hash shorts and niche-specific tags like hash money tips or hash life hacks. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week. Share on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Reels. Reply to every comment. Watch analytics. Double down on what works. Consistency plus creativity equals rapid growth. No more Shorts fund. Now you get paid through Shorts ad revenue sharing. Once you join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days, you earn from ads shown between Shorts. YouTube now shares 45% of that ad revenue with creators. Apart from ad revenue, there are other ways to earn brand sponsorships. Companies pay you to feature products, affiliate marketing, promote links and earn commissions, merch and services, sell your own products right in your Shorts. Super thanks and memberships, turn fans into paying supporters. Start with a hook in the first 2 seconds. Keep your videos fast-paced and engaging. Use trending music and topics. Post consistently, daily if possible. Always add captions or text overlays. Test, learn, repeat. You don't need to be perfect. Just be real. Start today with what you have. Your journey as a Shorts creator begins now. And 10x Earn is here to help you grow faster, earn smarter, and build your brand. So grab your phone, hit record, and show the world what you've got. Your future starts with one short.